can't be two alpha titans.
Who bows to who?
Kong bows to no one.
The world needs Kong.
There's something provoking me into war.
Alright guys, what is going on? We are back with another video. Yes, it has been about 30 some days since we made the last video. A lot is going on, a lot has happened. Last video I had, we broke at the track. My opening day wasn't opening day at the track, but my first day at the track, we haven't even gotten a pass yet. So guys, we're gonna go over everything that's been going on. Did we get Kong fixed? I'm gonna tell you, yes, we got Kong fixed. Kong is fixed. We're gonna go over some things and show you what we got fixed, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, yes, Kong is back. Kong is fixed. We're going to go over some things. But first thing we're going to do, which we have not done in a very long time, is get a cold start. I've not gotten a cold start in Kong in a while, guys. Little rough first start there, guys. But she's up, she's running, as you can see. Alright guys, so yeah, last time at the track we snapped the axle. I'm going to show that video. I'm going to pop that video up in case you guys didn't know I did it or whatever, but I'm going to show that video right now, me breaking the axle on the launch. So yeah, we broke the axle on the launch, and also we got new upgraded axles. You guys see, we have Moser Engineering axles. Obviously the box is empty in the truck, but yes, we have Moser Engineering axles. These are street axles, custom made for the truck. They actually have these in stock, guys. That's the craziest thing. They actually keep them in stock for the Ram. So, new upgraded axles. Why did it take a month for me to make another video? Well, I'm going to explain all that in a moment. All right, guys, so here's what's been going on the past month. We got the truck fixed. I pulled the axle myself, the broken one, pulled both axles, and I had issues getting the new ones in. That was one of my biggest issues, was getting the new axles in. I couldn't get them in, and I tried. Did everything I could. I tried for weeks. Came out every day trying to figure it out. I'm not a mechanic. I was not doing anything crazy and trying to like get them in. I did what I could, and I figured, and then I couldn't get them. So I said, hey, someone's got to look and see what's going on. I thought maybe my diff was destroyed. Something was something wasn't right and it wasn't going in. So I actually had to use the broken axle. After I took everything apart, drained the fluid, everything, popped out the C-clips, all that, I had to put the broken axle back in, just to get a wheel on the truck. Because I had to put wheels on the truck because I had to take it somewhere to get fixed. I could not do it. So I took it down to Steve, obviously. So I had to put, I put all regular wheels on the truck, put all the stock wheels back on. So I had the one axle. The one axle went in just fine on the one side. So I had the Moser axle on the one side. For whatever reason, the broken axle on the passenger side just wouldn't go in. So I had to put the stock broken axle in just to get the wheel in. So I got the axles were like kind of obviously just sitting there, just the one was in the C-clamp. So I got them in, got the wheels on, got it towed down to Steve. He took care of it in like 3 days, called me up, said, hey, come get your truck. It's fixed. He fixed the truck. What happened was a little bit of the splines needs tender loving care, I guess. And it was stopping the axle from going in. He took the diff out, fixed it up, put it back in, slid in and out like butter, bing, bang, boom, guys. See, that's the stuff that I couldn't do. I had no idea. So that was a part of that issue right there, guys. So we got that all situated and taken care of. Axles are good, ready to rock. So what is the plan now? The plan now is get back to the track. But I want to show you something because we also got something else ready to go for the track. All right, guys, this is what we got now. Bam. We have a fuel cell. This is used. I got it off of Cal Fails. Obviously, it's not installed. It's just here, but I wanted to show it to you. This thing, obviously, is light. Just going to put it back in the truck for a minute. It's a 7-gallon fuel cell made for the Ram, made by Jason Derea, who doesn't make them anymore. So I had to buy Cal's. Used, clean, great. This thing is super light, and there's a reason I'm going with that instead of the big gas tank. Obviously, the weight difference is huge. And with this fuel system, the MMX the double pump fuel system from MMX, basically you can't really go below half to a quarter tank. The fuel cell you can run down almost down much lower, obviously, because there's not much sloshing around the same as the big fuel tank. So that's one of the other reasons. Another main reason is this is not a daily driver. This truck is a fun street truck, basically race truck. It's not a full race truck, but I basically race it and have some fun on the street. So I don't really need a 26-gallon gas tank. And if I do, I got plenty of gas cans. I can bring them in the bed of the truck and do what I got to do. So mainly, as everyone knows, I like to run MS-109. I have not ran it on this new setup. This is going to help me make it a lot easier for me to run race gas or E85 when that time comes with when I get injectors and stuff like that. So basically, yeah, once we get that running, fuel cell up and running, it's going to be a lot easier to run real race gas, E85, whatever we need. Much lighter. We're going to be a hell of a lot lighter with a full 7-gallon fuel cell compared to a 26-gallon fuel tank, guys. So that is the reason for the fuel cell. And we're ready. We just need a track to open. I wanted to hit the track last weekend, but no tracks were open, guys. I'm really hoping I can get to the track. This weekend's a no-go, but what am I going to do? I'm going to have another video of me installing the fuel cell. So you guys will be with me. We'll get the fuel cell installed, and I'll probably get the truck fully prepped. I'll show you how I do that. Ready for racing. Because as you can see, I put the stock wheels and tires back on for Steve. Racing tires and wheels are all right here, ready to go. I told Steve too, beat the crap out of this thing. Test the axles and beat the crap out of it because I need this thing to run. And he did. He beat it up. He let me know. And it runs great, guys. So guys, that's what I got for you today. Like I said, I know it's been about a month since I made the last video. Also went through some other personal things, good in a good way, guys, so nothing bad there. But yeah, hopefully I can get this fuel cell installed within maybe this week, but if not, we'll have that installation on this weekend, and we'll get back into racing and out to kick some F-150 ass. I got it, guys. Talk to you soon. Peace.